Good morning, everybody. I'm speaking in a lower voice. I don't know why. Today we got Oli back again. Look at that. Look at that. Two days in a row. That's pretty cool. We are going to finish off what we didn't quite get done yesterday. We're going to spread out some stuff. We're going to whack it with a compactor plate, and then finally, we are going to install the drainage channels in and along here. So that is going to be a good thing. And then, yeah, we've got Merlan back tomorrow, and he is then going to get on with the pliage, which is all the folded metal all around here. So we better stop yakking and get on with it. Hey, Kaz?
Yeah, mate, I reckon.
Yeah?
Yeah,
oh,
mate.
yeah, mate. Yeah. We've gone a bit down Tipperdean for the day. Hey, bro.
Hey, bro.
Hey, bro. Let's get on with it. How's that, my love? You've got a little box of dirt. Like, you've got a dirt box.
Thanks.
What are you going to grow in your dirt box?
Some mint, minty fresh mint.
Yeah.
Speak loudly. Say it again.
Fresh mint.
And
A clematis to
Ah.
grow up the pole.
a fresh mint and clematis to cover up this. And also, she's bought me some oat milk because I forgot it this morning.
I'm off to my French lesson now.
Bon courage.
Merci beaucoup.
And also, hello Gail, if you're watching. Maybe she is. Right, okay.
Bye.
Thanks, love. See you later.
ya.
Bye-bye.
About to say you should get a Canada.
Cannavo. Yada yada. Yeah.
Beautiful section.
I had some. There we go, that's the first section done. Happy with that.
Okay, we have a very small amount of full. So that is all we need for water. What's that, pal? Yes, yeah.
Dude, do you want to save it for that last bit? Or?
I've got loads more tubes in the house.
Okay.
That would be a sad Richie moment.
Oh, this is. I'm going to remix this, it's dried out.
Yeah, we will need to. That heat has done a number.
Right, here we go, guys. That's the longest section done. Happy with that. It's getting a bit warm. Shh, no complaining. It is October and it's good to be sweaty like this in October, right? Last little bit in here, and that one there, we have so much ground to make up that that one's probably going to go in, yeah, some months from now.
Okay, Ollie.
Happiness, happiness, the greatest gift that I possess.
2, 1. Yep. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1.